Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Want to grow your retirement savings completely tax-free? A Roth IRA is an incredible financial tool for just that, and opening one on Webull is surprisingly simple. Webull offers a very user-friendly platform, making it easy for both new and experienced investors to manage their accounts with confidence. It's a smart step towards securing your financial future, allowing your money to work harder for you over the long term. Before we dive into the steps, it's wise to gather a few essential items. You'll need your Social Security number readily available, along with your current employment information. Crucially, make sure you already have a standard Webull brokerage account established. This process assumes you're already a Webull user, ready to effortlessly expand your investment horizons with a dedicated Roth IRA. First, log into your Webull account, either through their mobile app or on your desktop. Once you're logged in, locate the menu icon or your profile section. From there, you'll want to find the Open New Account option, which often appears prominently. Within that menu, simply select the IRA or retirement account choice to begin the application process. Now comes the application itself. Fill in all the required personal and financial details honestly and accurately. It's important to select Roth IRA as your desired account type from the available options. Double-check everything you've entered before hitting the Submit button, ensuring all information is correct and complete for a smooth approval process. Once your Roth IRA is approved, you'll link a bank account to fund it. You can then transfer funds directly into your new IRA. Consider setting up recurring contributions, even small amounts, to maximize your long-term growth. Finally, choose the investments that fit your strategy and start building that tax-free wealth. You're now on your way to a stronger financial future.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.